Thank you, Brendan. Yes, today's trade of the day, it's going to be a stinker to the downside as we look at Carnival Cruise Lines. And I sometimes think that we learn a little bit more off of our mistakes because we can sit here and show you, oh, I took this long and it went up $5 and great, I got out. But let's talk about reasoning on why sometimes we get stuck in losing trades. And I'm going to look at Carnival Cruise for the very first time here today and just give you guys a quick look. This was Thursday. This was Friday. You get a huge dump all the way to the downside there and then cratered basically down to $17. Why was that? We talked about it, the new variant of concern. So we come in today and we're instantly thinking, okay, over the weekend, there was talk that maybe this variant wasn't so bad. We came in with the Dow up 200 to 300 points. We came in with the NASDAQ up 1%. And we also came in today with Carnival Cruise Lines starting to inch upside, right? And so I was like, you know what? This is a thing, this is an opportunity here for us to take this long. And we also did a highlight. We want to try to find a key area here. So we go back to the 20-minute chart. And what I'm noticing is trying to get the day right, on Friday, the half day, we closed $18. So I'm thinking to myself, if we close at $18, we have to trade higher than 18 today, right? There's no way the market is more negative today, because it's not, the NASDAQ's up 2%, than it was on Friday, today being Monday. So with that being said, we think we have this great idea. And what it is to start to get long in the pre-market. That doesn't happen. We don't get any opportunities. We're actually waiting for 1870, something like that. We should have got filled. We didn't. We missed it by a couple pennies. No big deal. But then all of a sudden, 19 breaks. We like the 19 break. And again, there's not much going to be here on any of these charts that show you why 19 was key. But it was a pre-market high right here. So there was some levels there on 19. We take the long and get long in 1904 or something like that on the initial break. And look, it happens right away off the open. So a big, huge buy count. So we're like, yeah, we got it. We're long at 19. And as per usual, there's 4 outs here. Each one of these, I think, is about 10%. So we get out of the majority, not the majority, but the minority, 40 to 50% of our trade upside. As it goes as high as 1930, we actually have a 1921 fill there. No problem. Then, we let it settle down and it comes all the way back in. We're thinking we have a $20, we're thinking that we're going back up here, man, back up to $20. Why not? So obviously, this is why not. We get initially, this is a 2-minute chart, so it could all fill in here. But basically, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, so 20 straight minutes of nothing but downside here for CCL. So this is what we do. We take the early print, then we take the pre-market bottoms. That doesn't work out. So where do we get out? On this little level, 1870 break. We get out. Why? That's the bump up. We don't want to be messed with in here. Then it comes down to 1850 and we're like, okay, we're reloaded, but boom, boom, we get in. And then it's like, okay, no, we're not done selling. Boom, to the downside again. And we get out right there at an 1830 break. Again, the bottom of this pre-market. Okay, what are we going to do next? Well, we still can't believe that we're still fading down. And remember, it's this 18 level, the close on Friday that I can't not trade around that. So as it's coming all the way to the downside, look what happens. We take like an 1815, then we take an 1810, and then we take like an 1802. And guess what? It actually goes up and it goes back into the money for us. Boom, right back up to the upside. We take a little bit more out and we're like, yes, we've got this. Now it's going upside. But what winds up happening, womp womp, is you break that 18 level and we're gone. The point of this trade of the day is just to show you that, I could be completely wrong with how we're thinking. And there's only one win there, one win there. Other than that, we have a couple mixed losers and we're negative on the day. But you have to get out of the way, because if I'm married to this trade here, 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 and I still hold, well, it goes down to 1770 on the low. We're only now back to 1812. So, I feel like we did good managing this position. You can go broke not managing your losers properly. I feel like we did a good job. It didn't work the way we thought it would. It's Carnival Cruise Lines. It's your trade of the day, and I hope we can learn from our mistakes.